myself R. Kishore Kumar. Today in our institute, one of the professor came from outside and he discussed about in companies how to use automations. But specifically we use how to automation used in the CAE domain. Specifically, we discussed about this topic. For CAE domain, the automation is how to increase the automation in CAE domain that we discussed about today's topic. And there are a lot of automation topics are there. We discussed about connection automation, analysis automation, and few more topics are we discussed. And in connection automation, normally we used to check the connections of the mesh. It will take to 16 hours normally, but in our automation method, it can take 15 to 20 minutes, more than the lesser time according to the component. This type of automations are we discussed, and also we compared about automation and artificial intelligence. The benefit of automation, it will reduce the time of the machine, and if any work and precious result we can achieve by automation. For the organizations, they are also reduce the cost of testing methods, and also it consume very lesser time. It will benefit for the organization and also the for future results. So we discussed about these all topics. Thank you.